2 buck punch, the gun was thin. Up in the gear, ready with the journey begins. Checking the tires, the tank is full. Chrome kachamakna, looking seriously cool. Looked at my yar and gave him a smile. Said we won't stop rolling for 1,000 miles. Threw our hands up high in the cold morning air. Dilly's dust fading.
What a fantastic day it was, bursting with excitement as I anticipated the arrival of my Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer. The moment was indeed special, yet it didn't unfold as initially envisioned. My original plan was to ride pillion with my friend, but sadly, rain had other ideas flooding his route. Modified plans were necessary, and we found ourselves driving towards Chandigarh by car instead, ready to embrace a new adventure despite the setback. I began this remarkable journey by picking up Vivek from Faridabad, our laughter echoing in the car as we headed towards Rohini to gather Aamir and Gaurav. United once again, we hit the highway, our spirits high. Stopping at Zilmil Dhaba for lunch felt refreshing. While we savored delicious Punjabi cuisine, we charged our electric car, utilizing every aspect of our journey to make it memorable. We swiftly resumed our travels towards Chandigarh, the excitement building as we neared our destination. Upon reaching the showroom, the atmosphere buzzed with anticipation. The moment I had long been awaiting was finally at hand. I could see the shimmering Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer waiting, ready to be unveiled. Completing payment formalities felt surreal, but what truly stirred my heart was the test ride that followed. Admittedly, we decided against taking the motorcycle home on that Saturday, opting instead to soak in the moment and usher in the celebrations at our Airbnb. It transformed swiftly into a house party enveloped in warmth from friends, laughter resonated, excitement bubbling, and discussions circling around the awe of the tiger. The following morning greeted me with a charge at Radisson Red, followed by a satisfying breakfast, a prelude to the day. Back at the showroom, all documentation and registration were finalized, positioning us closer to the moment we dreamt of. One by one, the boys joined, each adding to the magic in the air, including Rajinder, who stepped in just in time for the celebration. Then, as if on cue, the moment we all had awaited unfolded, the cake ceremony alongside the unveiling of my tiger. Yes, not just any motorcycle, but my partner for a thrilling future filled with adventures and stories yet to be written. Thank you to Boss Rides for this unforgettable experience, every facet meticulously orchestrated to ensure joy reigned.